name is Louis.
I'm dental technician from Casa Dental in Singapore. I have been working in dental industry about 4 years.
I work in Digital CADCAM lab for about years, and I'm in this industry for about 10 years. The staff there is very friendly, and I have a great trip so far.
The first impression is like, wow, when I just came here, it was so big. It's much bigger than any company I ever see in dental tech industry.
The team is very good, and the equipment is from the milling to the standing is all produced here, so I feel really good.
So the second is the team. I have been worked with the DSM team a few years ago. It's like very excellent and very supportive. So whenever we have the problem issue with the milling, to the milling machine or any product that we use from Besmile, they reach out very fast and help us to solve the problem.
I really like the 3D Master because the color is very accurate. The 520W also works well with the titanium bar and the glass velvet. The product come out is quite good.
For the 520W, those come out I feel is just not for me. And I think I have to spend more time to see the most of zirconia like come out. It's like give me good related looking, so I can create more aesthetic crown when I standing. The color is come out is quite accurate.
It's been very good. I learned about the installation of the 520W, also as well as the standing and design and nesting. It solved a lot of my problem.
I got training for art designing with the Lao Xiu Go, right? And another standing training. It's been like it's give me more idea for my full arch.
I feel if I meet some problems, I can solve on my phone. And then it's really kind, you can communicate online. It's very easy. Because together is from the milling until the standing, we cover the whole process. So if there is problem, then I can fix it immediately. Yeah.
We have some problem, those issue with the full arch, and the teacher also help us to figure out and to solve it. And the standing is like give me more idea to standing my full arch. Because currently I don't standing the full one. I go with the build-up porcelain and then standing. But then here they provide me the full training standing. So I feel it's good, can consider to use it.
AI is making the work more smooth and more fast. I thought from you guys, if you develop an AI, you can design a crown in 1 to 3 minutes.
I am more hand skilled, but in my opinion, is like AI is really huge advantage. It helps us less work, less error, and have more time to create what we want in the final one, the aesthetics. We can focus the aesthetics and focus to the quality. At the same time, we can produce more cases.
The AI coming on, we can focus more on final products as it's more detailed and more aesthetic. I think we have to learn more about AI and integrate it in our workflow. It will make our work more fast and smooth.
For those technicians work with the whole process, there's always have the space for us to develop ourselves and to prove our value. For me, AI cannot replace human because we do have the technique to check the final thing, check the quality. No matter how the technology develop, the quality standard is always at the same one. We can focus on that. For me, it's most of skill is like practice on the final one, practice one, and then you're able to adapt to new technology nowadays. Keep learning, keep improve yourself.